and welcome back to part 4 of the Amati Robert Italy. And how it looks like, we don't have to solve any problems in this part, because in this part we will start to plunk the deck. And for plunking the deck we're using this 0.5 by 3 millimeter strips, which is Tanganyika wood. So we have used this already to plunk the underside of the deck. And since I don't have any verified information from Amati if those will be enough to plunk the whole model, I have ordered already some planks to put it in my stash. If it's enough or not, we will see on the end of this project. So we don't have to solve any problems, but I made a problem by my own, and that was to putting on this 1 by 3 millimeter strip on the edge of the deck, and that's basically wrong, because now I have to remove it, because of first we have to plunk the deck so it will be elevated of 0.5 millimeter, and then we have to set this plank flush to the deck plunking. And so I have to remove it and put a new strip on, and it also has to continue here in the area of the paddle wheel. So that was a problem I fabricated by my own. Okay, so without further ado, let us plunk the deck. Okay, so maybe I have to admit there is a problem with the deck, and that's the first section of the superstructure. Well, there is, according to the plans, there is a hole in the stern, on the stern side of the superstructure, and I couldn't find anything of the size or how to fabricate it in the instructions. Nevertheless, it is drawn in the plans, as you can see here. So what I did, I cut this hole by 2 centimeters by 7 millimeters deep, and made an inlet from some scrap material of 1 millimeter plywood, and I will insert it in the stern. So I hope that is right. I have no idea what's the purpose of this opening or hole or whatever it is. If you have any idea, please leave a comment below. So let us continue with plunking the deck. Okay, so let me interrupt shortly this video and give you some advice. As you can see, we have exceeded the obstacle in the lines of the deck planks, and this opening can also be the opening of a hedge or whatever, or superstructure or whatever you have in the line of this deck planks. When you start with planking the deck, it's very important that you permanently observe the alignment of those planks, because when you come to the point where it's going back to one lane again, then one is moving like this and the other one is moving like this, at this point you really have a problem. So it's very important that you permanently check the alignment of the planks. And now let us go back to continue planking the deck. Alright, so we have finished up 90% of the deck, but there are still some work to do. That's sanding down the edges of the deck and the bow and the stern section, and it's also very important that we seal it, and then after sealing we have to sand it down. Also there are some more details to add on the deck. So this and also the other things we will attend in the next part. Up to then, stay tuned and see you there.